welcome to the 10th tutorial of the first series of Painting Basics, in which we're getting to grips with the fundamentals of painting garments in a limited tetrachrome palette. In this lesson, we'll be painting some lower garments, and we're going to keep things quite simple because they can seem quite overwhelming for beginners. We're going to be painting these garments in yellow, which is one of the more difficult colors to get right, because it's very easy for it to end up looking quite flat and lifeless. So here you will learn the tricks for creating vibrant yellow garments that pop off the painting surface. So without any further ado, let's start painting. This oval shape already helps give it a sense of volume. On this side of the thigh, the cloth falls into hanging folds. And titanium white. And the hanging folds. And there we have our yellow garments. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Till next time, keep practicing.